Hello friends, day 122, and I started the day by visiting Ian again on his narrowboat before leaving Nantwich, and then I've walked all day along the Shropshire Union Canal, which is beautiful in places. There was rather an overgrown section in a cutting, and it was only when I got to the other end of it that there was a sign saying footpath closed. So I don't know what was going on there, but I'd managed to get through anyway, so not to worry. I met some people on a beautiful boat built in 1898, and you'll see a bit of that later. And I've got lots more footage, so when I get back I'm going to do a proper video on that one. And I also met a chap on one of only 9 steam-driven narrowboats still in use. I won't have time for that in the video today, but I'll put that in tomorrow's video, so keep an eye out for that. And of course, tomorrow is the last day of Fanny's Meadow, so if you live anywhere near Somerset, do get along to Fanny's Meadow if you can. And the wonderful Whiskey Moonface are on tomorrow evening. I wish I could be there, but I hope they have a great gig, and I look forward to seeing them next time. So a few images of today and some lovely pictures of the inspection launch, and I will see you on the trail.
Hello, I'm Al Baggers, and I'm a happy owner of Lady Hatherton, who was originally built in 1898. I bought her from the Dobsons in 1978, I think it was, and at that time she was moored on the Grand Union Canal, looking fairly sorry for herself. We're talking of course about a wooden boat above and below gunwale level, and there came a time, or had it previously come a time before that, when she had a new hull in wood in 1964, and during my time there came a, so that was the second hull. The third hull was done by me, now a steel hull, in 2014, I think. Well, we'd finished, the work was finished by then, and at that stage she was ready for a new superstructure again the same pattern. Nothing's changed to her shape. She now lives at Aston Marina, and that's where we hope to be going home to.
Another lovely room with a view tonight on this beautiful summer sunny evening, and I'm just tucked away in the corner of a farmer's field.